This is the Xplant, a headphone stand with a wireless charger built in. So let's take a look at what we've got here. So turning the box around, you'll see that there's not much, there's just some specifications at the bottom. We have, most important thing is your 10 watt maximum output for charging, and you also have an LED so that you can show off what you want inside the Xlayout. Opening up the box, and there we have quite a nice unboxing experience. We have a little paper here and nothing on this paper. And we have a product certification information in here, as well as most likely a product manual. Alright, so we have product cert in Chinese. We have a service card for registering, and we also have the user manual, but not much information here. We'll figure it out. And we have I don't know what this is, an invitation card for what? Of becoming a member? And finally, what do we have here? This is it another manual? Oh, it's an ad for the rest of their stuff. Okay. Alright, so what we have here is a USB-C cable for plugging your Xlayout in. And let's take a look at what we have in the box. Alright, so this is the Xlayout. It consists of a couple of things. First is this little stand over here with a removable back so that you can put, display pieces inside. It's not very spacious, so I'll show you. I have like a really small gold figurine, but it won't even fit in here. This right here is going to be for hanging your smartwatch. This is plastic. At least it feels plastic. Actually, no, it's metal because it's cold. And this one is metal too, and then there's a little hanger over here for the headphone. And if you flip it over this way, you can see that right here there is a wireless charging spot as well. And finally on the back you have your USB-C, as well as this that you can slide out, flip around, and put it back inside. So I'm going to plug it in and we'll see what we got. Alright, so I currently have it plugged in, and I'm just going to show you this. This is my headset. I'm going to put it like that. It's going to hang like that. I also have a smartwatch, and you can hang it like so. And finally, my smartphone over here. You put it here, and it should charge. There we go. It's charging, you can see. And finally, there's a button here that you can press for lights. So you press that button, you get a white light. This one is a little bit colder. This one is actually the coldest. And finally, you also get red and blue. And now let's show you the inside. So just for context, this piece right here, that's a pretty small golden lion. Just for context, this is the size of my smartphone compared to the golden lion. So it's not very big. And this, I put it inside, it doesn't fit all the way. So I'm just going to rotate this like so and take off this. And you can see that this goes in about this much, and then I can't close the acrylic panel because it's too long. So there's that. It's not very big, so you'll need a very small figurine if you want to fit it. But if you do have nice small figurines, it'll fit nicely in here. Alright, so my thoughts on the Xplant. This thing retails for $90, so this is not a cheap piece of equipment. So if you're looking for just a wireless charger, this is not for you, because you can get a wireless charger for like 10 bucks, so there's really no point. What you're really getting this for is the aesthetic. I am going to use this at my desk at work because I have a headset. I'm going to hang that there. I don't have a smartwatch at work, but that'll come useful for keys, and of course, wireless charger for my cell phone, as so. It's also cool that there are some lights in there. I can dump some cool things in there that I can use for decoration. But yeah, so it is expensive, but yeah, check it out in the link below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.